Hi, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone crackling when using Voicemeeter Banana with Discord or TeamSpeak. I'm going to read a couple of test phrases through Discord so that we can hear a before and after. So here we go. What we've got is failure to communicate. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. As you can hear, the microphone is crackling and cutting out in Discord. I'm recording this video live so you can hear that this isn't an issue with my microphone. So to fix the issue, go to your start menu and type in Task Manager. Right click on Task Manager and then Run as Administrator. And now that Task Manager is open, go to Details and sort the processes by name. Now look for audiodg.exe. If you can't see audiodg.exe, you do need to run Task Manager as an administrator to see it. This is because audiodg is a part of the Windows audio services. Now right click the process and click Set Priority and then set the priority to high. And yeah, you do want to change the priority. Now right click on the process again and set affinity. Now this is the important bit. Untick all processors and then tick a single core. Now for me, I'm going to choose CPU 2 because I know that's a physical core on my processor, not a threaded core. And press OK. Now, just a note, even if I decide to give audiodg 2 cores, I still get the issue in Discord. You really do have to give it a single core to fix the issue. So let's test the test phrases again in Discord. What we've got here is a failure to communicate. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Okay, so that sounds much better, and that's the fix. You do have to do this every time you turn on your computer, or you can install some free software called Process Lasso, and that will do it automatically. I hope this helps anyone who has been struggling with this issue, and have a good day.